Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us for this very special event. We have exciting news to share with you today, news that will have an enormous impact on our entire community. Today, we're announcing key community initiatives that will be supported by a generous $25 million donation from philanthropist Mackenzie Scott. We are so incredibly grateful to Ms. Scott for this donation. This gift, along with the continued donations of so many in our local community, will further key initiatives that will affect the lives of so many throughout all of our neighborhoods. This donation will support key community initiatives focusing on equity, ending family homelessness, and education. In a moment, Amy will outline the plans that are now in place to use this donation to continue our work of creating lasting change in our community. But first, before I turn it over to Amy, I want to share some recorded comments from Governor Tony Evers.
Good morning, everyone. It's great to be with you today. This is an exciting morning for the Milwaukee and Waukesha communities as United Way shares the details of the work that will be done because of the generous donation of Mackenzie Scott. When Ms. Scott made her decision on who would receive her donations, she did so based on research and data. She wanted to know who was already doing the hard work today and who could continue that work years from now. She chose United Way because, quite simply, they know how to get things done. Every one of you should be proud today. This donation shows that your community has come together and is ready to take on the challenges so many are facing. Challenges like creating an equitable society, providing safe and stable homes for families, and providing education that prepares students for the future. COVID-19 has changed the lives of so many in our community. We all know that there's a lot of work that needs to be done to rebuild and reimagine our world. That's why your continued support of the United Way is more important than ever. Congratulations on this exciting announcement. I look forward to seeing all of the great work that will be done in the very near future.
Thank you, Governor, for being part of our announcement today. And now let me turn this over to Amy Linder, the President and CEO of United Way, and she will talk a bit about the specifics of the donation and the work that will be associated with that. Amy?
Good morning, everyone. I want to echo Linda's words and start with a thank you to Ms. Scott for her generosity to our community. We are so proud to say that after all of her research, Ms. Scott chose our United Way for her donation. This is really a powerful affirmation of work that's already being done, that's being done by so many of you viewing this today. Our community volunteers, our partner nonprofits, businesses, and individuals throughout our community who have shown again and again that we are all in supporting each other. It's because of our work together that this incredible gift happened, and I want everybody to feel really, really proud of that. With the combination of money from this donation and the continued contributions from so many in our community, we have the ability to strengthen our efforts and multiply and accelerate our impact throughout our 4-county area. So let me share just a few of the highlights of our plans as we are so excited to look forward to these. First, this gift will help us launch our new racial equity portfolio. Inside this portfolio, and in partnership with a new community advisory committee we are recruiting for right now, we will foster long-term stability of Black and Brown-led organizations by providing multi-year general operating grants. We will support these leaders and organizations by providing capacity building support where asked for, while removing historic barriers to funding and growth. We will continue to center resident voice, and we will look both to lead and to sponsor systems level change work led by others in our community. We will also continue very good work already happening. So our work with our boys and men of color, our partnership with the Milwaukee Fellows, our work in reducing barriers to employment and advancement, which is currently championed by a fantastic advisory committee, and our wonderful Diversity Leadership Society. We are also going to take some of this gift and invest in our Safe and Stable Homes effort. So we previously had announced to the community our intention to work to end family homelessness in our region by 2025. So many people in our community have already come together to begin the really important work to be able to hit that goal. Thanks to this gift, we have now looked back at our investments, and we believe we can now reach this goal. We can end family homelessness in our region by 2023, 2 years faster than we originally envisioned. To be able to accomplish that, we're going to be investing in some key strategies. First, we have a great network of vetted partners we are already funding, who will be sending additional funding to for emergency rental assistance, arrears, and other immediate needs. We're also going to deepen our funding for the fantastic Eviction Defense Project and help them expand their reach to make sure any family with children under 18 years old is able to have an attorney with them during the eviction process. Finally, we're also going to be providing some key funding to some key populations, including individuals returning to our community following incarceration. All of these strategies will continue to be informed by the wonderful Safe and Stable Homes Community Advisory Committee. We definitely thank them for their work to date. We're also going to be working to expand our nationally recognized community schools program. In partnership with Milwaukee Public Schools, United Way is currently working with 12 community schools. Thanks to this funding, we will accelerate adding 3 new schools to increase the reach of this proven education strategy. We're also going to increase our support for the Coalition of Anti-Racist and Restorative Educators to continue to provide professional learning communities on anti-racist practices for community school educators. We are launching a new series of expanded integrated student supports this year, including early childhood linkages, housing stability, coordinated health, and college and career readiness. We will also continue to strengthen our partner with the Waukesha County School Districts, deepening investments in current partnership schools as we help them reimagine and rebuild school cultures that meet the needs of every family. Fourth, and finally for now, we will address the COVID-19 academic slide by offering robust, widely accessible academic opportunities over the summer in partnership with several education and youth development partners, working hard to reach students who have fallen behind and helping them regain the traction they need for success in the year ahead and beyond. Again, we are so incredibly grateful to Ms. Scott for her donation, and we are grateful to every single person in our community who helps us continue our work of creating lasting change right here. Linda, back to you.
Thanks, Amy. Thank you all for joining us this morning. And thank you to all the donors, the volunteers, and the supporters of United Way. We have done great things together, but there is still work that needs to be done. And we know that this remarkable community is ready once again to stand up, answer the call, and live united. Thank you all very much.